Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech MK270R full-size wireless combo. So this is a combo of a wireless keyboard together with a wireless mouse in one set. And then it uses both keyboard and the mouse will connect to just one dongle here. And now it has, for the keyboard, it has 36 months of battery life, and for the mouse it has 18 months of the battery life. So let's take a look around at the box itself. So what's inside the box? Has two AA battery for the keyboard and one AA battery for the mouse, and then the USB dongle and some manual. So what you will need is the Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, 7, Windows Vista or even Windows XP, Chrome OS, and a USB port, and an internet connection for the optional software download. So it's not required, it's not necessary for the software. That. Now one key point is, it has a 3 years of warranty, limited hardware warranty. So please refer to the box for further warranty details. Now at the back of the box here it says full size comfort, so a low profile whisper quiet keys and a comfortable controlled mouse that works everywhere. And so the keyboard comes with the adjustable keyboard height, split resistance design, 2.4 GHz wireless, 10 meters of range, nano USB receiver, cap loss indicator light, and then on and off power switch. So your computer at your fingertip. So get instant access to your music, calculator and more with 4 media control keys and 4 shortcut keys, which is nice. I'll show you later on. And the mouse comes with the contour compact shape, smooth responsive cursor control, on and off power button and scroll wheel, and the battery that lasts 36 months. Like I said, 36 months keyboard and 18-month mouse battery life, plus auto stick and on and off switch. And it's simple, reliable wireless, powerful, secure, just plug and play, connectivity with up to 10 meters away. So without further ado, let's unbox this set. So comes plastic wrap, and the other one so hard. Let's see. This is the mouse in a separate plastic. Let's see if there's anything else inside. Nope, nothing else inside. Throw the box away. And let's take a look at the mouse first. So this is the mouse. Very small. Feels good. Glides well. Here's the click sound. And the scroll wheel. Clicky scroll wheel. No click to the left and right, I think. Yeah, no. And then this on and off button. This is the mouse sensor itself, and this is the mouse cover. And then the dongle is not here, but then the battery comes with this tab, so you need to pull this off and then turn it on to use, so that the power connects. Oh, a very simple, small, pretty small, good for wireless and for everyday normal usage. Onto the keyboard itself. So all wrapped up in plastic. Let's take this out. So here's the menu, and then this is the keyboard itself. As you can see, it has 4 rubber feet here to prevent the keyboard from moving around when you're type. So it's pretty grippy on the tablet itself. There's also one level adjustment to fit here. You can tilt it out to provide you a better typing angle. The keyboard itself is pretty thin. Membrane keyboard. Here's the battery itself. So both of them comes pre-installed. So this requires two AAA battery. Yeah. So likewise, take this off so that the power connects. Now let's just put this back. And you have a on and off button here. So split resistance design, and you have 4 multimedia key here. So play or stop, mute, volume down, volume up, and also home, email. This is your power button, and also calculator, which is very helpful. Other than that, it comes with a numpad, full-size keyboard, and the Logi logo here. That's all. I think one thing we're missing here is the dongle itself. So here's the dongle. So what's good about this is you just need to use one dongle for both of this device. Cool. And there's some plastic wrap here. So average typing experience. This is membrane keyboard, and then this cost me 90 ringgit. After discount, I think the normal price is usually around 120 ringgit. So I find this pretty good. I mean, rarely you get a good device that's this cheap with 3 years of limited hardware warranty. And I have great confidence that this will last very long. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.